Hello everyone, welcome to Lime Guru channel. In this video we will learn that how you can add any text to your images. So we will learn basically about image processing, adding text to the images using Python. And in this module we are going to use CV2 library and text wrap. Text wrap is basically if you want to wrap your text, if you have one line which is a long line and you want to wrap it into multiple lines, then text wrap will take care of that, and CV2 will take care of doing the image processing, writing the text onto your image. So let me show you how we are going to do the image processing. So I have one image here, image.jpg. So you can see this image. So we are going to write some text onto this image onto the left hand side, and you can decide where you want to write. So we'll discuss about that also. So if you look at my program, so here is my function which is put text. So put text will put that text onto the image, and how this function is being called is, so first I'm going to read the image. So you can see that I'm reading the image.jpg, and then I'm calling the put text function. So put text function takes four parameters. One is the image itself on which I have to write, then the text I want to write, then the x coordinate and y coordinate of the starting position of the text. So from wherever you want to start the text, you have to provide the x coordinate and y coordinate, and then after that put text will write the text into the image, and then we have to save the image. So cv2 dot I am right will save the image into this output.jpg, and the output of jpg content will be image which we have just where we have just put the content using put text function. So let's go into put text function. So what we are doing in put text, so I said it takes four argument. One is the image itself, the text we want to write, the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So first what we are doing is we need to decide the font first, in which font you want to write the text. After that we are doing the text wrapping, and in text wrapping you can decide the width of the line. So whatever width of the line you want to have in your image, let's say if you want to have 10 width, 20 width, so based on that width the wrapping will be happening. And after that I'm deciding the font size, font thickness, all of those things. So now let's say I have multiple lines based on the text wrapping. If it's a one word, then there will not be multiple lines, it will be one line only. But let's say if it's a long line, then there will be multiple lines in the wrap text. So wrap text is a list, so I'm iterating over this list of wrap text, and then after that I am writing the text into the image, and this is the function to write the text into the image. cv2 dot put text, and then all the parameters like font, your image, x value, y value, font thickness, all of those things I'm providing here. So this is going to write the text onto my image. So this is the program to add text into your image. So I'll show you practically now. So as I was saying, this is my image. Let's try to write it creative inside this image. So I have passed created, where the x coordinate is 80 and y coordinate is 150. So let's try to write it here. I'm going to run this program now. So I have just ran this program. So you see that output.jpg has been created. Let's see the output of output.jpg. Okay, you can see there creative has been added to the image. So this is my input image and this is my output image. So creative has been added based on the font size, the font thickness, the font you have provided, the x coordinate. So x is the distance from x-axis and y is the distance from y-axis from the first word. So that is how you can add the text. Let me show you the wrap text thing also. Let's see, I want to write creative minds are best. Now it is a long line, so how it will wrap the text is based on the width I have provided in the text wrap function. So I've given the width of 10, so after width of 10 it will wrap the text into multiple lines. Let's try to run this function now again. Okay, the output has been created again. So you can see now creative minds are best. So you can see here it's not in a single line, the line has been wrapped automatically because I have given a width of 10. If you want more words in the line, let's say I change the width thickness from 10 to 15. Let's say I change it to 15. Now let's try to run it. Now the line thickness will be more. So you can see creative minds are best. Now it's more, but it's overlapping with my underlying image. So I want that the wrapping should be done earlier. So I'll reduce the width of the wrapping. So again, I'll make it 10. So if I make it 10, so you can see now it is perfect. Creative minds are best. So you, in this way, you can add any text to your image. You can apply text wrapping, and you can decide like from where you want, on which part of the image you want to write the text, how you want to wrap it, what should be the coordinates, what should be the font size, font weight, everything you can decide. It's very customizable package, CV2 and text wrap, and this is how you can add text to your images. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do like this video, do share it with others, and thank you for watching.